Hello everybody, welcome to Sephora Korea's channel. Now I am in the kitchen to prepare a special dessert. Today is Independence Day in India, 15th August, and also Our Lady of Assumption feast. Okay, and traditionally in India and coastal regions, Goa, Mangalore, they prepare this particular sweet because all the ingredients are easily available in the coastal region. Now here is the main ingredient, the fresh coconut, which is easily available. This is palm jaggery. You can use this jaggery also, which is available, and this is the palm jaggery, which is mostly available in Goa. It tastes like chocolate. So I have used this. I have scraped it. Okay, and this is the sesame seeds. I have washed thoroughly and kept. This is cardamom powder. This is salt. Okay, and these are the leaves, which is very important. This is a fresh turmeric leaves. We use this because it gives very good flavor to this dessert. Once I cook, I will show you. This is the steamed dessert. Okay, and I also use a little ghee. This is the ghee that I will light the gas now because I have to prepare this filling, and this is the spread. It is made of raw rice, which is soaked for 8 hours and ground, and I have also put a little, people use a little boiled rice also, like a handful of boiled rice, but I have used beaten rice that is called flavour. Little I have soaked and use it while grinding. Now I am putting the gas on. I have kept the vessel on low heat to get warm. I will put a little ghee in that. 1 teaspoon. I am using ghee because this filling will not stick to the bottom of the pan. It is on low heat, so do not worry. Now this spread, I have soaked the raw rice for 8 hours, washed it thoroughly. Now there are 2 ways of preparing this. After washing the rice, you can dry it under the fan or a little in the hot sun till it becomes dry, and give it to the mill and powder it. Okay, you can mix your boiled rice, or the other variation is, I have done it, I have soaked the raw rice for 8 hours, washed it thoroughly, ground it with the beaten rice and made it a consistency where it is easy to spread, not very thin like dosa, because then it will not spread, it will just keep on trickling outside the, this is the consistency. You can grind it on your traditional stone, or I have done it in the mixer. I will show you what is the beaten rice, if for some people to understand. It is beaten rice, medium type of beaten rice, madhyam fove, because there are some available which are very thin and some are thicker than this. So this is the medium size. Wash it thoroughly and mix it while grinding. I am going to put this palm jaggery inside to melt. I have scraped it because it is easy, to handle. Otherwise, I will have to wait for it to melt. I can mix this. Let it be on slow flame. You can use any type of jaggery, okay? I prefer to use this today. I will mix the cardamom powder. This is the sesame seeds. And I believe whenever you prepare some sweet, a pinch of salt has to be added. Here is the pinch of salt. You can use the jaggery as much as the coconut, but I have used a little less. Keep on stirring till the jaggery melts and becomes one with the scraped coconut. Don't close it, let it melt, it is melting. Do you want me to put little more coconut? It doesn't really matter because I put sufficient jaggery. I will put a little more coconut. See, little more. I can accommodate that much of coconut in the jaggery. Okay, let it become one with that. Keep stirring. Don't allow it to burn. Anyway, I have put ghee in that. Okay, keep this by. See, it has become one with it. Okay, I am going to put it off and allow it to cool. See, done. I will keep this. We say it is tondor. It is steamer, the olden type. I have used it to make idlis and many things. So, I will keep water to steam on slow flame only because till I do the fillings. Okay. You know, this is the partition. It comes out. This is the partition that it is made of copper. If you don't have this traditional steamer, you can use any steamer. You know, you have the rice cookers also of the Prestige. You have a pan that steams. Anything you can use, idli patra or whatever it is, but I prefer this because this is my mother-in-law's. Okay, and it was her mother's, it has come to her. So, I have asked, this is a gift to me. So, I love to use this. I will put the gas on. Put it on slow flame because let the water steam. Meanwhile, I will spread the rice flour on this and do the filling. Okay. These are turmeric leaves, fresh, bought it from the market. I have washed it in 2-3 waters and I have wiped it with a clean cloth and kept it under the fan so that it dries. Okay, usually these leaves have stem, and because I have cut this into 2 because it fits correctly in my pan. Okay, if you want, you can use the leaf like this also. I have shown you, I have cut the stem here. Okay, oh lovely. See, wow. And you know, the stems I don't throw, I keep it in the fridge. Okay, dry it because whenever I am making other sweet, because of the flavor of this turmeric, I keep it, dry it and keep it. Oh, lovely. Now I will show you how to do the filling. And I have not put salt in this. I have to put a little salt. Say half a teaspoon. See the consistency, this is very important. Don't do the batter like, you know, you have to grind it fine. Spread it. See, so lovely and fluffy, and it won't trickle. See the consistency, this is what is important. Spread it. Okay. Now, this is the way you have to spread it, not too thick, not too thin, but the spread should be sufficient to take the filling. Yes, the filling has become cold. See. Spread it.
More quantity.
It depends how much you want, less, more, you can put any amount. Okay, this is a variation you use. Okay. Now, fold this. Yes, and gently dab it like this. Okay. See. So, you understood why the consistency should be like that, because it should not trickle out. See. And what is excess you can remove. Be neat, you don't do messy work. Now like this I will do all the leaves. My water will get heated till then because I have kept it on a low. So I will spread it neatly on a cloth on my dining table. I will keep it till I finish all the 25 pana, Patoli pana. Okay. I am spreading this muslin cloth on my kitchen platform because there are many fillings to be done, and I will arrange this neatly. So, if you notice the water is steaming, I have increased the flame full. Look, place it in order, and if you notice there is a hole in the center, do not cover the hole, there are other small holes. Now I will close it. Okay, the last one. Keep it for 20 minutes after this. Yes, and the flame is high. About 20-22 minutes have passed. I will just open to see how, if it has cooked. Yeah, it has done. Okay, another 2 minutes you can keep it. Okay, and I will show you how to take out and this thing. Okay, let another 2 minutes pass, nothing happens. 22-24 minutes zale. I can make out it is cooked. I will tell you why. See, this is the big leaf. Yeah, see here. See there, it is cooked. Okay, see, I will put off this and then remove. Do not cover it back, it has to be separate. I put off the this thing. See, it has done because it is hard. See, I use this pincer because I don't want to burn my face. See, it's quite hard. See how I am lifting it. And after it gets cooled, I have to open up. You know, this is reminder of all childhood traditional sweets, and one shouldn't forget. One shouldn't forget. This is done. Now I am going to put the other set. Let this get cool before we can taste it. Let it be here. I am going to put the other this set. Yes, I am going to put on the gas again. You know, very important, Safra, when you take it out, you have to put off the gas. Okay, and I will see if there is. Yeah, I have to put more water. Put the second set. That's why I have to put more water. Okay, let it get hot. Now, one thing very important, this patoli you have to take off from the steamer after putting it off. Don't leave it there to get it cool, because all the steam water again will go in there and make it soft and watery. It has to be hard like this. See, see. The second set is getting steamed. Now we shall check this has become cold. See, okay. See how nice, see, it separates. You are getting the aroma, Wilson, of this?
Nice, haldi.
Huh?
Haldi, saffron.
See. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice, sweet. बरं झाला.
Good.
तू बरं जा आणि.
Good.
This is of the leaf. बरं